Yeah, good to have you here. I have been having a lot of questions. People have been coming to my DM, to my email, and also in this channel to ask questions on how they can run the installation of 2000 watt solar light. Today we have a solar light that has the ability to radiate the environment and make it look lively. Light is life. So when you have light, you have security. When you have light, you have assurance and confidence that everything that is with you are intact. Today I want to show you step and step ways in which you can run the installation of 2000 watts of solar light, and this 2000 watt solar light is what will help you to brighten up your environment. Let me show you how they work, and the functions of this light will make you to know that it is actually needed in any compound or in any street that you want it to be. This is the 2000 watts solar light. Like I told you, this is first class England product. As you can see, it's a solar light that you can actually use anywhere. In any street you put it, the brightness is a top notch. And when you look at this solar light, like I said, it's 2000 watts. It has so many features. What are the features of this particular light? The solar light has the ability to recharge to zero charge. Even when the battery is used to the end, it can build up again. Then this particular light has an easy installation mode without wire. That means you can install it without using any cable. And it is an independent, and the LED is green, and energy savings as well. Very high quality of batteries and long life of services. So whenever you want to run the installation of this particular solar light, this is 2000 watts. Like I said, I will show you how to unveil it, then take the steps on how to mount them and also install it properly. And this is the light in question. Here we have the solar street lights, and this is the solar panel. Turning to the other angle, you can see the solar light, the LED. The number of eye we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is actually 20 eyes, and this is 2000 watts. If you divide 2000 by 20, you can actually get 10 watts each. So each of them contains 100 watts here. So whenever you look at this, you are having 2000 watts of this particular light. How does it work? It has the ability to sense, or we are always, if you want to get a steady light, you don't need to put it in motion mode. How do I mean? Some of the light will come when they want to start. They will only work when somebody comes around. It will peak and stop. But this has the ability for you to use your remote to set it on a steady mode and also set it in a sensing mode. When you set it in a steady mode, it means that when the light comes on, it will be steady. But when it is sensing or in an object mode, well, it has to do with the object that is coming close, either human being or anything that casts a shadow to it, for it to come on. But this particular one has the ability to be controlled by you. You can choose either to set it, or you choose either to leave it in a steady mode. So this particular one, I'll be showing you how you run the installation. Let's go there. I will show you the step-by-step ways of installing them, starting from digging the ground, casting the base, then mounting it on the pole and equally raising it up, and also see how it works. This is a very good brand that you can go for. Anytime you want to choose a solar installations or any solar street light installation, always watch the procedures and the steps that we took in doing this, so it will guide you and help you to do it yourself without having issue. See you in my next video.
Get your 1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
Maybe the last one. I'm gonna get this in with you.